how to create an ebook to sell on Amazon. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook to sell on Amazon. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to kdp.amazon.com, in which it is a website that will help you to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free. It will also help you to earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the different parts of the world, such as in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, and many more. In which all you need to do from this website is to create your own account. And also, in creating an ebooks, we're going to use the website called ChatGPT, which is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, in which this platform will be provided all of the content of our ebook. So just open ChatGPT and signing in with your account. And aside from ChatGPT, we are also going to use Amazon.com in creating an ebook. So on the Amazon.com, just go to the search bar and enter the type of ebook that you want to create. Let's say I want to create a fun fact ebook. And after that, just hit enter. In which upon doing so, it will lead you in here. You will see a variety of ebooks that you can use as a guide in creating your own ebook. So I'm going to choose this one, so kindly click on it. And as you can see here, the price of this ebook in Kindle amounting to $6.99. And to preview this ebook, kindly click on the cover photo. And from here, just scroll down and you will see the content of this ebook, in which this will serve as your guide in creating your own ebook. And now that you have an idea in creating your own ebook, you can now start making your own using ChatGPT. And on ChatGPT, you can send a command or messages that will help you to provide an information or necessity in creating an ebook. And this is the result in which ChatGPT provide for our ebook. As I message it to write 5 catchy book title for a fun fact ebook, these are the 5 results. Well, for the second command, I messaged ChatGPT to give me 100 fun facts about the world. And below is the 100 fun facts that will be the content of our ebook. And to avoid being plagiarized, we shall not just copy and paste it to our ebook, as by doing so, it can be detected by using different kind of platform if it is plagiarized or created by AI or not, by simply pasting all the content to copyleaks.com, in which by entering all of our content, it will show us if the context is made by AI or by human. And in order to avoid being plagiarized, we can use different kind of platforms to paraphrase the content of our context. And one of the paraphrasing platform that we can use is the killbot.com, in which by simply pasting all of our content in here and proceed by clicking the paraphrase button, it will automatically paraphrase the context of our content, in which we can even customize word by word of our context. By simply clicking on a specific word, it will show us all of the synonym that we can use in replacing those specific word. And after paraphrasing the context, by clicking copy text on the right side corner. And in order to test if the content is being plagiarized, we can just simply go to copyleaks.com and paste the text that we just paraphrased. And after that, just click check. So just wait for it to load to verify. And after a few seconds, it will show us that this text is a human text. And now that we know how to avoid being plagiarized, we can now start making our own ebook. And in creating an ebook, we're going to use canva.com. And from the homepage of Canva, kindly go to the search bar and click ebook template. And after that, just hit enter, in which upon doing so, it will show us a different kind of ebook template that we can choose. So I'm gonna choose this one. So just click on it And to use this template, kindly proceed by clicking Customize this template. And after that, you will be directed in here, in which you can change the cover photo by uploading a picture of the photo that you want to replace this cover. So on the left side panel, kindly click Uploads, in which you can choose the photo that you want to set as cover of your ebook. And after that, just right-click on a picture and select the option that says Replace Background. And now, the next thing that you need to do is to edit the title, in which we can use the title that provides by ChatGPT, and all we need to do is to choose of any of those title. And in those title, I will choose the title number 3. So just copy it and paste it to the Canva title, in which you can also customize the color, the font, or even the size of the text. And after customizing or editing the cover photo of our ebook, the next thing that we need to do is to create the content. And same process in which we can choose to replace the picture and customize the title and the context. So for this one, I'm gonna write Fun Fact number 1. And after that, the next thing that we need to do is to paste the fact that provided by ChatGPT. So just choose any of those lists that we just paraphrase and copy it or selecting it that we'll be pasting to the first page of our Fun Fact number 1. So just simply paste the context on this, and you can also customize the context size, the font, or even the color of the context. Well, the next thing that we need to do is to change the background photo. And to do that, just kindly click on it, and you can replace the picture by uploading, or kindly go to the apps on the left side panel. Just go to the photos, and on the search bar, kindly proceed by entering the topic that is related in our fun fact. And since our fun fact number 1 is about snow, I'm going to type snow. And after that, you can now choose any pictures that you want to add as the background photo of this fun fact number 1. So just same process, just click on it and select Replace Background, in which you can also customize the text color that you want in order for the context to be visible. And after that, you'll now see that the first page is now completed. And if you want to add the other fun fact, you can do it on the next page, and by following again the same process. And after successfully creating your ebook, you can save it by clicking on Share, and just scroll down and proceed by clicking Download. And under the file type, you can choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print. And after that, just proceed by clicking Download. And for the last step is to go to kdp.amazon.com, in which you just need to log in your account. And proceed by clicking the yellow button that says Create. And after that, just attach an ebook file. And it says here, once you created a book, it will show up in your bookshelf. So that is just how to create an ebook to sell on Amazon. Thank you.